Good morning, my darling. My husband cooked you all pancit and lumpia. Hey, sweetheart Elizabeth, how are you? Did you sleep good last night? Good. You look like you took a shower. The CNA gave you one. Oh, see, you look better. You look like a dead rat before. Hello, Mr. Smith. Look at you, very handsome. You cannot eat today. You're NPO. You're going for a test.
You're not a doctor. I'm not listening to you.
You want the doctor? Okay. Dr. Jones? Yes, it's Marites from surgery. Oh, well, I'm talking to Mr. Smith and he doesn't want to get the information from a nurse. He wants it from the doctor. Mr. Smith, Dr. Jones is here. Hala, go. Tell him.
Mr. Smith, you're gonna eat today, you're NPO, you're going for a test.
Doctor, why are you saying the same thing?
Exactly. So listen to me before asking anybody else. Because all the information are coming for me anyways. Sus Mariosip ka. Guys, watch the station. I'm just gonna go to the bathroom, okay? Ay, anak, nantipaklong ka. Oh, anak, why are you crying? What did you say? A doctor disrespected you. Give me the name. Dr. Peters. Stay there, anak. Who is this Dr. Peters? Oy. Don't raise your voice on me. We're talking on the phone. Did you say to Jennifer in front of the family member that she's an idiot? Since you're an intelligent person, answer this to me. You wrote acetaminophen to be ordered to the patient. Did you check that the patient has a Tylenol allergy? No. Oh, see? Next time you call someone idiot, look in the mirror.